We show here how our tool, CondoCloud, helps users organize their personal file collections in cloud storage. While current tools may offer users recommendations of files they may wish to view, or recommendations of folders in which to save newly created files, these tools do not address the disorganization that may already be present in a user's file collection. This can manifest in instances such as having many uncategorized files in a root directory, or having many files misclassified into inappropriate subfolders. This can lead to corresponding issues, such as difficulty in finding files of interest, or difficulty in ridding a system of potentially privacy-sensitive files. To help with these issues, CondoCloud offers users the ability to organize as they normally would in a standard file browser interface, while providing recommendations of similar files users might wish to perform the same movement or deletion action to, using a novel logistic regression classifier. If, for example, we create a new folder entitled WIST Figures, and we move WIST 2021 Figure 2 to that folder, CondoCloud notices that WIST 2021 Figure 1 is very similar to this file and offers a recommendation to the user to move that file to the same location. The recommendation contains several components, including contextual information about the recommended action, explanations for the recommendation, affordances to quickly navigate to the files and folders of interest, and most importantly, a button that performs the recommended action for the user. Clicking this button will remove the recommendation and place it into the accepted recommendation log. If a user wishes to accept several recommendations, they may use the Accept All functionality up above. We see that similar behavior applies for deletion actions. If, for example, the user wishes to delete WIST 2021 Submission V1, CondoCloud will notice that the user may additionally wish to delete WIST 2021 Submission Final. If, however, as in this case, the user does not wish to accept the recommendation, it may be easily dismissed again with the click of a single button. If, alternatively, the user does not interact with the recommendation at all, the recommendation will fade away after a short period of time in order to display the most relevant recommendations for the user. The specific rates at which recommendations appear and disappear are governed by behavior-specific factors that we detail in our paper. If we decide that we were mistaken and we wish to reverse the action of a recommendation, we may view the accepted recommendation log and again, with the click of a single button, undo the action. As with all other aspects of the recommendation pane, this functionality is available through the standard file browser interface. In this manner, a user may organize in the standard file browser interface and, when they find it appropriate, use the recommendation pane to more efficiently perform some organizational actions or identify actions that they might have overlooked but still wish to perform. We plan to continue evaluating and developing CondoCloud in order to better help users organize their file collections.